corner. Yes, families, parents, teachers, fellow graduates, friends and all learners in Patriana. Good afternoon. Good afternoon once more. My name is Desmond Mugi. I am a grade 3 learner. I am honored to stand before you today. First and foremost, I would like to thank God for guiding us through this journey and giving us the strength to reach this milestone. We made it. We have worked hard and learned so much. We have grown and become better learners. I also want to thank our teachers for their patience, support and guidance. You have helped us discover our potential and encourage us to do our best. Thank you, my teachers. To my fellow graduates, I am so proud of us for making it this far. We have shared laughter, tears, and memories that will cherish forever. As we move forward, let's remember the lessons we have learned and the friendship we have made. We are excited for the next chapter of our journey. Thank you again, and congratulations to the class of 2025. I love Patriana at large. Thank you.
Please like, share and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. Adios till the next video.